In this video, I'll show you how to get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. First, open Google and search for Resider iPhone emoji. Click on the website that appears in the search results. Scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find the bonus method for getting iOS emojis on Android. This is the easiest method. Tap on Download iOS Emoji app. Once the file is downloaded, open it and install the app. When you open the app, this issue will likely be fixed in a future update. Now, tap on Enable Emoji Keyboard. Scroll down and enable Emoji Keyboard 10 by toggling it on. Tap OK when prompted. Next, select Switch to Emoji Keyboard and choose Emoji Keyboard 10 as your default. Allow all the necessary permissions. Now, let's test it out. You can ignore any minor error messages. As you can see, all the iPhone-style emojis are now available and working perfectly on my Samsung device. And that's it. That's how you can get iPhone emojis on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.